My neighbor's Chihuahua. What coarse creature is this who inhabits the seat next to me on Southwest Airlines to LAX, seat 2C? But lo, a small, shaky fellow, inspired to exist by the love of a hand, connected to a man who is in turn comforted and loved by his vigilant friend in seat next to me, Southwest Airlines to LAX, seat 2C. Oh, my canine Quixote, you defend nations of territory against magnitudes of peril. Oh, my soft-snouted Socrates, I believe you can speak at hypersonic secret speeds on Southwest Airlines to LAX, seat 2C. And yet, with inexplicable dimensions of decibel, you seem to look for answers from me? Tell me, where is Amelia Earhart, my shaky pint-sized seer? And what anxious avenues unknown await us, O timid and nervous oracle? I realize now I have spent a lifetime too slow.
KMKB Radio, 98.9 on your FM dial. Where no news is good news. And dogs listen for free.